Samsung is gearing up to launch the One UI 7.0 beta program, and we can't wait to see what's in store. This exclusive program will allow select device users to test the upcoming Android and One UI versions before their official release. But which countries will get access first? Samsung's One UI 7.0 beta program is expected to launch soon, and it's going to be a game changer. The program will be available in several countries, including China, Germany, India, Korea, Poland, United States, and the United Kingdom. But Samsung will roll out the program in phases, with Germany, Korea, and the United States getting access first. Samsung's One UI 7.0 beta program is launching soon, and we've got a sneak peek at what's coming. The program will be available in several countries, including China, Germany, India, Korea, Poland, United States, and the United Kingdom. But Samsung will roll out the program in phases, with Germany, Korea, and the United States getting access first. So, what's new in One UI 7.0? For starters, the UI looks very similar to iOS. You can make your icons appear bigger and bolder, and you can also see the new battery percentage display, which shows the percentage inside the icon. But that's not all. We've got a sneak peek at the new Quick Panel design, which is now divided into two sections: Quick Setting Tables and Notifications. Users can switch between these two pages by swiping right or left, and there's even an option to hide the labels of quick setting titles. He designed elements of One UI 7.0, and we're excited to share them with you. The new UI boasts a more rounded design language, which is a significant departure from the current design. But that's not all. Samsung has also updated the icons for several stock apps, including camera, clock, contacts, gallery, and weather, giving them a fresh new look. But what about functionality? Samsung has enhanced the continuity feature, allowing users to send video call notifications to nearby devices. This means you can start a call on your Galaxy phone and continue it on your Galaxy tablet or Samsung TV seamlessly. And with the new notifications design, you'll enjoy a more rounded look and more space between individual notifications, making it easier to stay on top of your alerts. So, what does this mean for the future of Samsung? With One UI 7.0, Samsung is pushing the boundaries of design and functionality. We're excited to see how these changes will enhance the overall user experience. Stay tuned for more updates on One UI 7.0 and get ready to experience the future of Samsung.